Now, Stormwatch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreth.
Welcome back to Newswatch 12 midday. We are tracking less showers on the map than what we were seeing for Newswatch 12 this morning, but the area that we're tracking the closest is right here. It's transitioning out of Jackson County. It's going into Klamath County, and this is bringing some rain and some snow. Snow levels right around 4,000 to 4,500 feet. So we'll go ahead and put this into motion for the rest of today. You can see by the time we get to dinner time, not much left on the map at this point, just a few showers left over, and then come time for midnight, we should all essentially be dry, and that's going to continue for the foreseeable future. This is really going to be our last best shot of wet weather for a while. Okay, snow levels right now are around 4,000 to 4,500 feet. You can see that we could have some snow transitioning all the way down to places like Klamath Falls and Chiloquin and Modoc Point, but we'll be pretty dry again into Wednesday, and snow levels at that point are going to be rendered pretty useless. Now on to some of the snowfall projections we're expecting through tonight, and this is subject to change, but we're thinking maybe a trace to an inch for our Siskiyou County passes, a trace to a few inches for our east side passes, and maybe 3 to 6 inches for our Cascade passes. So we do have one chain requirement, and I talked about that at the top of the show. It's up towards Diamond Lake Junction. If we do see any other chain requirements, it would probably be at Lake of the Woods, but other than that, I would be very shocked if those come to fruition. So for today, we'll be about 5 to 10 degrees below average for this time of the year. That means mostly 40s and 50s, so chilly stuff out there. It's going to be gray. There's going to be, of course, rain and snow showers, and the winds will gust out of the west upwards of 20 to 30 miles per hour, with some of the fastest wind gusts being along and east of the Cascades. And then for tonight, the winds are going to calm down. We will be dry. The skies will start to clear up a little bit, so that means we could see the return of some fog to the Mount Shasta City area, also to the Grants Pass area. Other than that, it's going to be a chilly one, as we'll have temperatures in the teens and 20s to the east of the Cascades, 20s and 30s for west side valleys, upper 30s along the coast in Curry County. So you might have to protect the outdoor pets, plants, and plumbing once again for inland spots. For tomorrow, of course, will be much drier, still just about as chilly. We'll still be about 5 to 10 degrees below average for this time of the year. But look at this, about a 10-degree hop for Thursday, warming up by about another 5 degrees into Friday. So we'll touch on the temperatures here in just a second, but getting much warmer into next week. Not just warmer, but pretty dry as well. Now on to the temperatures. As you can see, for the Rogue Valley, we'll be into the 60s again for Thursday and Friday, but up into the 70s for this weekend, pretty close to that sunny and 75 territory for Monday, which will put us at about 10 to 15 degrees above average for this time of the year. So here's the 7-day forecast for the coast. Rain and thunderstorms likely for today, and then look at how we warm up into Thursday and Friday. We'll end up being into the middle 60s with plenty of sunshine. Then for Siskiyou County, a chance of showers for the rest of today, mostly dry, in fact completely dry into Wednesday, and then we could be up into the low 70s in the Shasta Valley come time for St. Patrick's Day. Then for the Klamath Basin, rain and snow showers likely for today, will dry out for Wednesday, and then we could be up into the middle 60s come time for St. Patrick's Day. And then for the mountains, of course, we do have the chain requirement up towards Diamond Lake Junction. We're thinking that roads are going to improve into Wednesday, and then we'll see the snowpack in all likelihood shrinking with these above freezing temperatures that are going to be pretty sustained. And then for the Rogue Valley, showers likely for the rest of today, albeit they should be pretty light, and then a lot of spring weather after that.
So is that just the way the Oregon weather works? Rains, gets hot, but then it seems to rain again.
Yeah, I mean, there's no transition.
Yeah.
I mean, I know technically I'm saying like Wednesday and Thursday are the transitional days, but we go from 52 and rainy on Tuesday to 70 and sunny by Saturday, and that being sustained. Yeah, well, so it's just
it'll make for a
weird.
good weekend, though.
Yes.
All right, thank you, Josh.
Of course.